Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 24th, and we are going to look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Nasdaq. VIX, we are still in the downward channel that we talked about. This is the downward channel, so we are still within it. That's a good news. But we made a higher low, made a higher high, so maybe we are trying to get out of it. We are not out of it yet. Stochastic is below 60, so we should be coming down. We should be coming down momentarily. Let's look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is keep climbing up, climbing up. Look at the stochastic at 96, extremely long stochastics. So we are definitely into this bullish channel. We were in the bullish channel when we started, when we had stochastic over 60. And this happened on this candle right here. It happened on this candle, but then we had a very close resistance, so it was okay to wait right here. And then once we broke it, then buying here was okay, but then we had to suffer a little bit of a move down, but stochastic was still over 60, so this move down was just not to be believed. And then once we came close to the support, then we just launched. So everything is super great for the indices. Dow Jones is bullish on the daily chart for now. Let's look at the S&P 500. Same thing with S&P 500, super high stochastic. And also same thing with Nasdaq Composite. This is a small bull trend. When will it stop? I don't know, but we are going to have to take a look at this downward resistance that is not too far away to see what is going to happen. Just be careful about this resistance, and while we are above this support right here, we are still in this bullish trend, so don't sell until we break out of this upward support. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.